In this video, I'm going to show how to place the headlight assemblies on this Hyundai Sonata. To do this, we have to remove the front bumper cover, so let's get started. Below the vehicle, on the corner of the bumper cover, there will be two push clips we have to remove. Mine have Phillips head cutouts in the center, so I can unscrew the center and then pop the rest out. Now there's one towards the front, and there will be another one right here. Mine is actually broken, so there's nothing for me to undo, but for you, remove the push clip as well. Do the same to the other side of the vehicle. On each corner of the bumper cover where it meets the fender, you'll see a little cutout in the fender liner. Take a 10mm socket and remove the bolt that holds these two together. Pull this away. Now do the same to the other side. At the top right next to the headlights, we have two things to remove, a 10mm headed bolt and a push clip. Do the same to the other side. Now grab onto the bumper cover, pull it out from the corners and off of this piece here. And off it comes. At the top of the headlight, we have two 10mm headed bolts. Let's remove both of them. Now what you can do is pull out on the corner of the headlight. That'll pop it out of its mounting location. And on the back side, you'll see a connector. This is actually for the entire headlight. Low beam, high beam, turn signal. Everything is in one connector. Unplug it, and there's your old headlight. Inspect this connector for corrosion. Sometimes that happens, and of course make sure it's not melted or damaged in any way. As long as it's good, you can go ahead and plug it back into the new headlight. Make sure that clicks and locks in securely. Before I put it in, I just wanted to mention that this right here is your adjuster for the beam, the low beam and the high beam, to make them go up or down as needed. So after this is installed, you stick a long Phillips head screwdriver right through here and get the headlight adjusted properly. You'll see how to do that at the end of the video. Now reinstall the headlight, line it up with the body of the vehicle. Tap it in. Thread in the two bolts. Now do the same to the other side. I recommend replacing headlights in pairs. Bring the bumper cover back in. Careful of your headlights and the fender, of course, so you don't scratch anything. Line everything up. Make sure all of this fits on correctly. Reinstall the screw that holds the bumper cover on at the top. Snug it up and put this push clip back in. Do the same on the other side. On the corners, let's resecure the bumper cover with the 10mm headed screws. Tighten that up. Do the same to the other side. And underneath, let's reinstall the push clips that we removed. There are two, one towards the front and one right on the side here. Do the same on the other side.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all four tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.